loves, welcome back to my channel. This is hddsignatures. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping safe and I hope you guys are well. So today's tutorial, guys, I want to try the popular technique that's been going on right now, underpainting makeup. So guys, basically what underpainting makeup means is you are going to be doing your highlighting and contouring first before applying your foundation. So a lot of content creators have been doing that and I've seen a lot of amazing results, guys, but I want to be the one to judge it if it's actually worth it after trying it out on myself, seeing it at the end of this video. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into this tutorial. Bye guys. I've already cleansed my skin with micellar water from Royal Makeup. Can you see I'm almost running out of this? So guys, this is the real deal, guys. Also, I've moisturized my skin, but for this tutorial I'm not going to be going ahead to use my facial oil because I already moisturized. What I'm going to be using is to use Miron Skin Prep. So it's a primer and also serve as a sweat stop. So if you use this, your sweat is not going to like tamper with your makeup. Basically what it does is not going to make your sweat mix up or make your makeup smell. So we are going to apply this all over the areas we know we sweat a lot and onto our nose just to mattify that part. So guys, I'm going to be starting with contouring. I deposited my black opal stick foundation into this pan here. So this is what I'm going to be using and I'm going to be applying them with this brush. Place right here under my cheekbone, like so. So your skincare, your color correcting still remain the same. You do them first, but starting from your foundation, highlighting and contouring, that is where this underpainting makeup comes in. So you're going to basically do your highlighting and contouring first on your skin before your foundation, guys. Let's see if this underpainting makeup, that is highlighting and contouring before foundation, really worth the hype. Let's see if it's actually worth the time. The product you are going to be using, which is highlighting and contouring, normally if you apply, let's say you apply your foundation first, you are going to be going into 2 shades lighter and 2 shades darker. But for these techniques, you have to like go maybe like 2.5 shades darker because you are going to be placing that first and your foundation comes afterward. So if you want to actually see the result and you want to see the dimension in your face, your highlighting contouring products, they have to be like 1 shade darker or 1 shade lighter than what you usually use if you are going to be doing your foundation first. Do you guys understand what I'm trying to say? Now for your skincare still remain the same. You want to make sure you do a proper skincare that targeted towards your type of skin. You want to make sure you do all that. And if you have anything to cover up on your skin, which is maybe like you have discoloration, you have pigmentation, you know you want to do a color correcting and you want to use a color correcting that targets towards the type of pigmentation or whatsoever it is you have on your skin that needs to be color corrected. So can you see, guys? So guys, this is your highlighting and contouring before foundation. I'm going to quickly go ahead and blend out the highlighted parts because the concealer dries really fast. So I'm going to be using this brush. So after blending that part out, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the contour part. So I'm going to go ahead and take a clean brush and I'll use that to blend out. So I'm going to go ahead and apply more of a highlighting product. I'm going to blend where the contour meets with the highlight. I'm using the contour brush to blend that part together. So this is the blended part of it. So guys, the next thing now is to apply our foundation. So for my foundation, guys, I'm going to be mixing Maybelline Superstay foundation in coconut, and I'm going to be mixing it with Royal Makeup Stay Matte liquid foundation in cappuccino. So this is what I'm going to be applying, mixing both together, guys. Cappuccino, and this is Maybelline. So I'm going to be applying it with this brush, guys. This part is where you are going to be applying your own skin foundation to the areas where the contour and the highlighting are not applied, and you're also going to be applying it where the contour and the highlight meet together. So for me, I'm going to start from here. You want to know your skin, the level of your skin, and how your skin looks. If you have a skin that have blemishes, you know that the foundation you're going to be using, foundation has to be a full coverage one, so it can cover some amount of the blemishes you have on your skin, so you don't keep going back and forth to pick on foundation onto your skin. So I just needed to put that out there. So guys, when you apply the foundation, then you're going to go ahead and run the brush on top of the contoured part. This is just to make it blend into your skin. So I'll go into my contour brush